Let's see here. How to let go of memories of trauma and feelings trapped. It's not so much that you let go. You see, we will say the old saying is time heals all wounds. No, that's the way that's how you get cancer and everything else. Time does not heal the wound. Time moves on and other experiences uh come on, like leaves on the ground, and then you can bury the leaf under more leaves and then bury those leaves under more leaves, but the other leaf's still there. That's the way it is. It's the subconscious trauma is there. Now, if the subconscious trauma is active, that's called a SEMO, or post-traumatic stress syndrome. And SEMO, I like a SEMO better than post-traumatic stress syndrome because it actually describes what's going on. Sympathetic emotional memory override. In the sympathetic nervous system, there is a memory or trauma recorded that is overriding your normal physiology or your happiness or the present moment. It overrides it. It overrides it because it's active. So with depth healing technology, I locate it and I uh, disassemble it. Disassembling process means removing the entanglements. And my client's nervous system and mind shows me the entanglements, and I disintegrate until we get down to the base fundamental download. I disintegrate that, and the post traumatic stress syndrome is gone. And I've done that for hundreds, maybe thousands of people. It's gone. When it's gone, physiology restores, brain, everything reorganizes, and physiology and everything is fine. Same thing with any emotional trauma.